Here's how to play free games on YouTube. That's right, I said YouTube. YouTube has YouTube Playables, which is just free games on the platform itself. You can do this both on desktop and on mobile, so I'll show you right now both. So we're starting on the desktop here, and we need to get this whole menu open on the left. There's a little hamburger menu icon up here, so we just click on that. Then we can scroll down a little. You're going to see this Explore section, and you probably have to click Show More to see all of this, and you find YouTube Playables right here. So we click on Playables and we get this whole Playables browse page. We can tab over to the home page, continue playing games we recently played. You can actually sort them, look for new games, etc. And I'm just going to click on one of these games to play. How about Pizza Ready? We're going to play Pizza Ready. You can actually see how many plays the games have had, just kind of like the same way that you can see views on YouTube videos. And it actually opens up in what looks like essentially a YouTube video space, but you can use the mouse on these things, and you can use arrow keys and all that kind of stuff to walk around and control. It just depends on what the game's controls are. And these are all games directly on YouTube, and you can also do this in the app. So if we go to the YouTube app, we need to click on this little or tap on this little menu icon right here, and that opens up this little side menu. This works both on Android and on iPhone in the YouTube app. Once we get here, we scroll down a little and we find the same thing, Playables down here. So we tap on Playables and we get the same list of games, and we can browse, go to the home page, look for new ones, continue playing ones we were playing before, and you can actually play these games on the phone as well. So YouTube has free games you can play. They're called Playables, and you can find them in the menu on YouTube for desktop as well as the YouTube mobile app. That's how you can play free games on YouTube. If you like this video, leave a like on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.